All right. There's
AdAlta has
the
a
announcement.
strategic priority to secure near-to-clinic assets that complement our iBody technology as we seek to build our pipeline and business beyond 8214. Today, we have entered a collaboration with SYNThesis BioVentures to advance and accelerate that strategic priority. Together, we've identified an opportunity to provide cellular immunotherapies originating in Asia with a pathway to Western regulated markets via clinical trials in Australia. If our collaboration is successful, a new jointly owned entity between AdAlta and SYNThesis BioVentures, called AdCella, will in-license or acquire next-generation cellular immunotherapies developed in Asia and targeting solid cancers. AdCella will act as a bridge to Western regulated markets for these products by conducting clinical trials cost-effectively and rapidly in Australia, and providing our partners with access to AdAlta's iBody technology for the remainder of their pipeline. Cellular immunotherapies are transforming outcomes for cancer patients around the world. These are living drugs that involve modification of a patient's own immune system to enable it to fight and target cancer. Asia, and in particular China and Korea, are leading sources of innovation in this emerging field, with more than 50% of clinical trials in the space now being conducted in China alone. Australia has already developed a world-class cell therapy manufacturing and clinical trials ecosystem, capable of delivering clinical proof of concept at significantly lower costs than can be achieved in the United States. And AdAlta's iBody technology is ideally suited to creating the multifunctional cellular immunotherapies necessary to translate these amazing technologies into solid cancers. Combining all these market features create a unique opportunity for AdAlta, and we're delighted now to partner with SYNThesis BioVentures to help realise that opportunity more rapidly than we could on our own. SYNThesis BioVentures is a new venture capital fund founded by serial biotechnology entrepreneur Professor Andrew Wilkes. Professor Wilkes was the discoverer or inventor of a new cancer drug recently approved by the FDA. He also founded SYNThesis MedChem, a contract drug discovery and development company based in China. SYNThesis BioVentures' deep expertise in drug development, their experience in cross-border transactions and doing business in China, and their access to alternative capital sources complements AdAlta's capabilities in clinical trial delivery, drug development, and our iBody platform, as well as our networks into public sources of capital. Over the 6 to 12 months of our collaboration envisaged by the Memorandum of Understanding announced today, we will complete together due diligence on an existing pipeline of potential assets for AdCella, complete the establishment of the AdCella entity, and aim to secure funding for the initial assets that pass that due diligence process. The skills and expertise of the SYNThesis BioVentures team complement AdAlta's, strengthening our competitive position to pursue this exciting opportunity. It will allow us to implement this strategy faster and with greater capital efficiency than we could have done on our own. It enables us to move forward with a key strategic priority in parallel with our other activities to realise the value of 8214 and to continue to exploit our existing iBody-enabled immuno-oncology programs. This is a really important day for AdAlta, and we're very, very excited to unveil this new part of our strategy.